Hi class, so it's day 3, so we're going to talk about lesson 3, which is volume of objects. So our goal here is for you to be able to find the volume of objects made with unit cubes. So let's have this one first. Patricia was playing with a Rubik's Cube. She saw the Rubik's Cube was made using 64 small cubes and each side of a cube is 1 centimeter. What is the volume of her Rubik's Cube? To answer this problem, knowing that each side of a cube is 1 centimeter, we can say that 1 unit cube is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. So that means if we have 64 unit cubes, so we have it is equal to 64 cubic centimeters. Therefore, the volume of the Rubik's Cube is 64 cubic centimeters. Now, how are we going to find the volume of a figure given a unit cubes? So, like this. So, the first thing that we can do is to count it by layer. But if we're going to count it by layer, it will take us too long to answer the problem. So, let's do this technique first. So, you have to count this part. So, this part up until here. So, follow the laser pointer so that you can understand it. Now, we know that volume is length times width times height. So, we're going to set the side of each unit cubes into 1 centimeter. So, that's 1, 1, 1, 1. So, that means we have 4 centimeters. So, if we have this, length times width times height. So, we have 4 times 2 times 3. That is 24 unit cubes. Then, the lower part, this one, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, up until here. So they will coincide. So that's 4 times 3 times 2, that's also 24 unit cubes. Then add them together. 24 plus 24 is equal to 48. But since it coincides in this part, so we're going to subtract how many cubes? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 48 minus 4 is equal to 44. Therefore, the volume is 44 cubic centimeters. So, that's how you get the volume of a certain figure using unit cubes. Next one. So, the first two layers. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, that's 4 times 1 times 2. So, that's 8 unit cubes. Then, the second layer, this part, so 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, that's 12 times 2, so 24 unit cubes. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's 16 times 1, then 16 unit cubes. So add them together to get the volume. So 8 plus 24 plus 16 is equal to 48. Therefore, the volume is 48 cubic centimeters. Another one. So we have the first layer. So that's 1, 2, 3 times 2. So 6 times 1. So that's 6 unit cubes. Then another layer. So 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 3 times 4. It's 12 times 1 this side. So that is 12 unit cubes. Then the last layer, so 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 times 3, that is 18 unit cubes. Add them together, so the answer is 36. Therefore, the volume of this figure is 36 cubic centimeters. Then the last one, so we have this part, this layer. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3. So 4 times 3, it's 12 times 2, it's 24 unit cubes. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 times 6, 24 times 3, 1, 2, 3, it's 72 unit cubes. Add them together, it will give you an answer of 96. Therefore, the volume of this figure is 96 cubic centimeters. Now, how do we find the volume of an object using unit cubes. So first, we count it by layer. After counting it, we're going to add it. Then, that is the answer. So let's try this one. So what is the minimum number of unit cubes needed to make this structure, so this one, a cube? So the least or the minimum number that we can make here is 3 times 3 times 3 to make it a cube. So that's 27. So since we need 27 unit cubes, and we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 27 minus 8, we need 19 more unit cubes. So that's how you answer this kind of problem. Now answer online student workbook through Google Classroom.